If you're wondering how long you can receive workers' compensation weekly checks in Georgia, you've come to the right place. I'm Georgia Workers' Compensation Attorney Jack Clay, and a lot of people ask me, how long can I get these checks? How long will this last? What should I expect in the future? I'm here to give you some straight answers today about this subject and talk you through it. Thanks for joining me. First, there is a 400-week cap on temporary total disability benefits. What this means is if you're injured and you're out of work, you could collect up to almost 8 years of weekly workers' compensation benefits. Now, I live in the real world and you do too. Most people do not want to collect 8 years of weekly compensation benefits and be out of work unless their claim is very serious, or they have a catastrophic claim, which I'll talk about in a minute. But understand the maximum amount of time that you can collect in a non-catastrophic case is 400 weeks. Second, the 400-week cap can be reduced to 350 weeks in most cases. Oftentimes, the other side is asleep at the wheel and they fail to file what we call a WC-104, which is a form that says they can reduce your weekly benefits from 400 weeks to 350 weeks if you've been released to work light duty. Now, there are some nuances and details here that go beyond the scope of this video, but you just need to understand that you can go from a maximum of 8 years to a maximum of 7 years in most cases to collect these benefits. Third, if your claim is catastrophic, there is, in theory, no limit to the number of weeks for which you can collect workers' compensation benefits. For example, if you're 20 years old and you suffer a catastrophic injury, assuming that both of your legs are tragically amputated in an accident on the job, you could collect workers' compensation benefits until the day you die. However, most cases are settled beforehand, and there's also a process by which the other side can try to remove your catastrophic designation when you reach retirement age. That's a subject of another video, and there's a lot more detail associated with that issue. Finally, if you or a loved one has been hurt in a workers' compensation accident and you're wondering, how many weeks can I collect these benefits, or how long can this go on? What should I expect? We're here to help you. We have handled hundreds of serious workers' compensation cases throughout the state of Georgia, from the North Georgia mountains all the way down to the coast. We're here to help you, and we have convenient office hours, and you can check us out online at www.jackclay.com or call us at the number below for a free consultation. Thank you for joining me.